GTI.
Praying to Jesus Christ my phone doesn't fall off of this. This is the phone mount from the inside of the car. It's on a suction mount on the bumper and it's just MagSafe magnets holding it all together. Let's hope it works. Oh my god, it didn't fall off.